Ozithanda zam, ndiyamazi lo. I'm also a victim yalo mfana ichumka lo. I'm a victim. My brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max was taken by this guy, snatched the very same way le ntombazana bamthathele ngayo. Ndiyamazi. I've been trying to locate this guy. Last year they took my phone. Lo, ndime front opposite yentoni flat yechomi yami. Please guys, ndiyamfuna lo mfana. I don't even want to open a case anymore because bayivula ayikwazanga bayi-entertainer because of besingamazi. Even the footage yakhona ibingaveli kahle, but ngiyamazi lo mfana. Sengimfuna nje man to man. That's the only thing engimfunayo nje. Uba ngamthola. Joseph Godoy. And mntasekhaya basebenza beyi-group because the last time bebehamba ngemoto emhlophe, a Polo emhlophe, when they took my phone. 3 months down the line since gqibuyithatha ifone yami, I met the very same guy. I met him kuphi Liquid Blue. Ngaskrima, then people came and like, this guy is the guy who took my phone. Apha simbambe khona, 2 other guys, tall, dark as well, baphuma. The other one had a gun. Xa bephuma njalo bazomenzani bezomnceda aphume lo mfana waphuma wabaleka kunjalo. Ever since then andizange ndambona. However, friend of mine uyathi bahlale bese Cosmopolitan around. Don't know, I've been a Cosmopolitan and ngababoni. Ndiyabafuna guys, ndifuna especially umfitshane umfana khona ndiyamfuna shushu. Otherwise yoba man to man, man of the match uzawina. Ndiyamfuna la guy.